Hey guys, this is Rosa Kelly. Today I'm here with a new project to share with you. So let's take a look. So hi guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a new project that I just created using one of my digital collections. This is my digital collection called Easter, which was the collection that I designed for Patreon for the month of April. So if you join Patreon, every month I create a digital collection that you can download and print as many as you need. And also I do have a tutorial for the month using that collection as well. So I will also have the video class listed on the website just as a standalone. So the book measures 9 by 8 and it has a 2-inch spine. I wanted this to be a bit of a combination of a mini album and folio, so kind of has that weight of the folio but a lot of different features and pages here as well. So let's go ahead and take a look inside this book. So over here we have a sweet little rabbit, and then this page opens up like that, and I thought this was a really nice area. If you are gifting this to someone, you can put a little dedication in here as well, or you can just do a little journaling about the year and you know, all the memories here, and then just an image there again from the collection. And this first page is an upside down pocket. Just gonna pull this down here, and this reveals a gatefold, so it opens to the side, and again large area here for a picture, and places on the side if you like to journal or add picture as well. And so that all tucks back in there. So over here on this side we have a gatefold page, and then this opens up like that, and we have a cute little peekaboo here at the center. We have this cute little bunny, and of course you can add a picture there instead as well, and then a sweet little image here, and then you can add more pictures on the side maybe, but I just really like having that as a main feature here. So it's a fun little feature to add. I haven't done one of these in a while, and it's just so super fun to add to your page here. So now this opens up like this, and then another sweet little bunny here. You can put a picture there, but also this slides to the side, so you can put a picture on the back as well, and then another large area here for a picture. And then this whole thing opens up to the side, and we have a fun little pop-up. So I went ahead and added this bunny. I printed this page again, and I just wanted to have an image here, but you can leave these two places again just for pictures. And then these two also open up, and you can add a couple more pictures there as well. So I love how this page came out, really fun and interactive. On the back here I went ahead and created this whole little page. This is kind of like a little bonus page because it is a removable feature, so just place for a picture and a large pocket here. And then I wanted this to be able to come in and out of the book, so we can continue laying our book pretty flat here. But this opens up like that, and then this opens up here, and then we have a four-way picture here, which will fit pretty much 4 by 6 pictures. And then you can also add a picture on the back there as well. And then this whole thing also opens up, so again you can add more pictures on that space, and then this just tags back into that page. Then over here we have a sweet little bunny again, and this is a detachable page here, or just feature. You can again put a picture there, and then we have these kind of like a 4-way gatefold in a way, and so these two open up like that, these two open down like this, and then all of that also opens to the side like that, in a beautiful place for a picture, or again a journaling area, and all of that closes in here. And now this also opens up, and so when you open this up, we have over here again place for pictures. You can put 5 by 7s on this space, and then a big picture on the center. And then this is a spinnable little feature, and so you can again put a picture there, do some journaling, and put more pictures in here. And then we have a corner pocket where this just kind of tucks back in and sits in there, so you can also add more photo mats on that corner there as well. And so that closes up like that, and then this opens up again here on to the side, and again beautiful areas for pictures and just displaying the paper. But then this opens up like that, this opens up like this, and then we have some floating pages here, so a larger display. And then these also open for more pictures, so you can put 4x5 pictures on those on this area here, and then a 5x5 on that side. Back here we just have a fun dimensional pocket, so you can add, you know, things in here. If you go to church and you get all of those little booklets, you can put those in there, or just simply add extra pictures in there. I went ahead and created this booklet just using some of my scraps to just kind of have something in there, but this will fit a lot of pictures here. And then for the closure, I'm just using some Velcro, so that way we can allow for this to expand a little bit more. And then back here we have the inside back cover, another sweet little bunny. This opens up like that. This opens to the side again. I just love how this whole side looks with the grass. I think it's really cute. And then this is a slider page here as well, and then this opens up like that. So I just forgot to put paper here, but it opens up, and so you can add pictures everywhere over on this. So I hope you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this book. I want to say a special thanks to all my patrons for all your love and your support to my channel. Again, if you would like to join Patreon, I will have the link below. I create a digital collection every month, and we always have fun making a new project. And if you are part of the Crafty Wizard on Patreon, I am now also sending a PDF with a cutting list, a full cutting list for the project as well. And so yeah, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.